Exactly.
Well, with prices and interest rates so low, what's keeping qualified buyers from jumping into the housing market?
Real estate professionals say fear is the major emotion they're fighting right now, but a Valley Insurance executive has come up with a policy, he says, is the first in the nation, and it's aimed at overcoming that fear. And News 10's George Warren shows us how it all works. George?
Well, it's fascinating. You can, of course, get insurance to cover fire, floods, and earthquakes, but those, of course, aren't the perils that would-be home buyers are likely to encounter. They're worried about something really scary, the drop in value of the biggest investment of their lives. And now there's an insurance policy for them. Ruby Harding is selling one of her investment homes at what she believes is a fair price. But she's having trouble convincing buyers that the house they buy today for $113,000 will be worth at least that much when they go to sell it.
They're afraid. They're afraid to let go of that money.
Real estate agents say despite low prices and low interest rates, many qualified buyers are sitting on the fence because they're worried the housing market hasn't yet found the bottom.
Nothing but fear. Right now, that's the number one thing home buyers have, is fear. Fear if this is the right time to do it.
A Turlock insurance executive has come up with a plan to get frightened homeowners off the fence.
It's called a home value warranty, but really what it is insurance.
The home value warranty, backed by a major insurance carrier, will reimburse homeowners for up to a 20% drop in market value after they've owned the house for at least 5 years. Say, for example, you buy a home for $300,000 this summer and the market continues to fall. If you sell the house 5 years from now for $240,000, that's a 20% decline in value. The insurance policy will return $60,000 to you to cover the loss.
We're removing the biggest risk. The biggest risk is that it may go down in value. That's off the table now.
Ruby Harding plans to buy a home value warranty for her future listings, saying it's worth the 2.5% premium she will pay for it.
As a seller, my house is going to be much more appealing than the house around the corner that's for a similar price, similar size, and this is coming with insurance.
Interesting, huh? The home buyer's warranty will officially launch August 1st. It's targeted to home sellers and real estate professionals who will buy the policy for the homes they're selling to make buyers more comfortable that even if the market declines even a little bit, they will be covered for the loss.
What a great idea, because that is such a scary thing right now. The home has always been something that you could count on holding its value, and it's just been such a sketchy time.
Yeah, so you have to own the home for at least 5 years, and you're covered from years 5 to 10 when the damage is more likely to occur.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. And scary, too, that we may not have hit bottom yet in
I
housing.
know.
Oh, please don't say that.
Oh,
Just
thank you,
saying.
George.
Just the messenger, George. Monica Woods has a new home.